And welcome to another brand new episode of Live Forex Trading with your host, Peeling Mindset. Welcome to another brand new episode, guys. So it looks like pound yen is moving today. Beautiful. So waiting for my guys, my boys to come in, and we are going to start. We will start in just a second. So I actually managed to take a sell today in today's market. Obviously, right now, the market seems so there's a lot of volume. So the previous 4-hour candle closed bearish below 157.20 sort of a level. There is still chances for this current 4-hour candle to push down. So we just have to wait and see if the candle is right now grabbing any sort of liquidity. If it's actually grabbing liquidity, we may even push down. So just waiting at this point in time. So we will see. I will try and play some music here, and that will be lovely. All right. All right, so we are waiting for pound yen sell. Pound yen sell looking pretty good. I mean, for me, the weekly bias is sort of like a bearish bias. And right now, if the weekly candle is actually rejecting this 115, 170 sort of area, I mean, it's looking pretty good. All I have to do is wait for the weekly candle to flip bearish. If this weekly candle is finally flipping bearish, we have a lot of downside. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. And even the daily candle is sort of rejecting that area. The daily candle has rejected the previous daily rejection area, which is pretty good. 4-hour candles can be seen rejecting that area pretty hard. The liquidity wick on the top is pretty long, so that's what I'm actually waiting for. The 2-hour candles actually retracing at this point in time, which is good. I want to see candles closing bearish, and to start with at least on a 30-minute. I mean, 30-minute candles looking pretty good. So as long as this candle closes bearish, the next candle makes a top wick before heading down, I'm going to take an entry at that point in time. But right now, I'm kind of relaxed. This 15-minute candle has finally closed below 155.35. Just want to see some sort of top wick, and then I'll take an entry. Have to see a top wick. Have to see a top wick. So the 2-hour candle has closed dodgy. There's a high chance the wick on the downside could be filled. And we are looking nice and juicy here. Yep. Higher chances to push up. Higher chances to push. Actually, push down. Sorry. Higher chances to push down. I'm looking for sales. I am looking for sales, sir. Yep, and we are pushing down. In the first few minutes of the hourly candle, and the candles are going to push down. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. It's pushing down. I mean, I didn't want to take an entry right at the beginning of the new hour, but it looks like it's actually pushing down. The bias is bearish, you know, obviously the bias hasn't changed yet. There is still room for the downside. Well, from the break of the low, it's in about 16 pips, which is pretty good. But for me, because I'm a disciplined trader, I need the candles to move the way I want it to move. Otherwise, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna stay out of the trade. But right now, the sell does make sense. There's a higher chance 153.45 is gonna be hit, and not only 153.45, but we may move all the way down to 152.65. We do have room on the downside, and I think the downside room is going to be filled today. So we will see. We will see. $14 pips. Yep, we are pushing down. Yes, sir, we are pushing down. And 153.45 is going to be tested here. 153.45 is going to be tested. Yep, definitely. All right, on YouTube, Michael says, this is my chart from the other day. I haven't touched the blue line. All right. Michael's here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at Michael's chart. All right. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so he's looking at pound yen. He hasn't touched the blue line, or he's looking for a uptrend. Basically, he's looking for an uptrend. He's looking to buy. Is that what it is? Wow, Michael, you use a lot of EMAs. 21, 50, 100, and 200. 4 EMAs cross. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, there is still possibilities for the GJ daily and weekly candle, pound yen daily and weekly candle to push down. Why does it have possibilities? Because the previous weekly candle closed bearish and the momentum from the top hasn't changed yet. We have dived into this new supply and new demand area. But obviously for the price to reject this demand area, we need a similar fashion rejection like this. Either this sort of rejection or either this sort of rejection or this sort of rejection. But right now what the price is doing is the weekly candle basically is moving in the opposite direction, grabbing its liquidity before pushing down. So if the weekly candle is grabbing its liquidity from the top, rejecting the previously broken support area, there's a higher chance the weekly candle could actually finish bearish or fill this demand area. So it's actually interesting. And the way the daily candle is rejecting the top, look at this. The daily candle's wick on the top. This is beautiful. If this daily candle finishes bearish, the next daily candle is going to go bearish full on, all the way down. So I'm just waiting for the candles to flip in my direction. I've taken a trade around the London session, but man, oh man, it's printing bearish right now. If it's actually going to close below this 4-hour support area, below 153.60, there's a higher chance it's going to push down. Very high chance. Michael says, I drew the blue line in last Thursday. Oh, that's correct. You actually sent me a chart. Yep, I did have a look on my phone. I did have a look. Yeah, so that is definitely a demand area, and that's from where we are actually getting the rejection from. You know, it's definitely expected. So look at the demand area. Look at the way the auto flow has worked before in the past, right? I mean, it's so simple. It's so simple, right? So the guys in the YouTube, if you guys don't know what auto flow is, this is what the auto flow is, right? Now, how does the auto flow in the market works? There are some rejection points off of which the market rejects off of. And let me see if I can actually draw it. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Oh, it works. Okay, let's see. Let me do this and let me draw it for you guys. So watch this. This is a clear rejection area, clear demand area, clear demand area. And often price has rejected that area several times. Look at this. Rejected, started pushing up. This is where the big players have entered previously. And this is where they dumped the price and started dumping. They started building the ground. And this is where another time big players entered one more time. And they pushed the price up, they hit their target and started dumping one more time from all the way top. Now this is one of the rejection areas, supply area, where there was a lot of supply and just reject, dump. Now this is again the previously active supply area off of which price rejected pretty heavily, right? Now it's definitely expected for the price to do some sort of rejection here, but the momentum hasn't changed yet. For the momentum to change, we have to see this resistance being broken, and that way the price can definitely move up. Otherwise, it's just hanging around there, and the momentum hasn't changed. So, all right, so the auto flow kind of makes sense, and if the price is to push up, we have to see candles doing some sort of rejection like this, because we know for the big players to enter, we have to see this liquidity wick. They want to grab all these orders from the bottom before pushing up. So we haven't seen that yet. We've got to wait a little bit more. And I would say my bias is still bearish. You know, the overall bias is still bearish. So we'll see. All right, so Michael says, looking at the daily chart, it could be heading up. This is the chart I sent to your phone. All right, looks like Michael has sent me a chart on the phone. Let me check. Let me check. Da-da-da-da. I can't see Michael's chart. So if Michael is talking about the previous chart he sent me, I mean, yeah, that kind of tells me it's an uptrend. Yep. True. A clear uptrend on a daily time frame. But yeah, my bias is still sell. I always look to see these scalping opportunities in the market, and I think it's going to present me with a lot of scalping sell opportunities. So why not, right? Again, at the same time, why not? Michael says you want to scalp in the direction of the trend. 100%. Always want to trend. Always want to take a trade in the direction of the trend. And right now, pound yen is rejecting the top with its wick and is starting to head below. So let's see if my weekly candle, sort of a weekly time frame, sort of a bias will play out. Because eventually I'm waiting for clear sales below 150.345 and waiting for clear sales below 150.265. These are some of the areas I'm actively looking to see if I can take sales. So we will see. We will see.
Why?
What's up? What's up?
What are your biases today?
Pound yen sell.
It sells, but I don't think there is enough volume. We have to see when New York opens.
True, true.
We might just, because there was a trade on London Open, and then
Yep.
I don't think we might have another trade unless there is a volume after NY Open. Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens. Yeah, I missed this trade actually, to be honest. This 15-minute candle below 155.35. That trade I missed because I was waiting for the wick on the upside, but it just pushed down. It was like 11-12 pips move. I missed it.
I was also kind of looking at that trade, but I wanted to sit out. I just wanted to observe how it would play.
True, true. Sometimes it's just sitting out, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just being okay about missing the trade.
Yeah, around 12 pips. Yeah. I'm looking for sales below 150-250. Once you go below that line, and then it's much more clear.
Yeah, I'm waiting for sales below on an hourly. On an hourly, I'm waiting for sales below 150.345 and 150.265. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
It's actually interesting because in my brokerage's terminal, there's a gap on the left hand side. There's a gap, right? And I believe that the gaps usually, the gaps are like windows, you know, because the gaps, they get filled, and often market tends to bias in the direction of the gaps, you know, and it's kind of funny. And if that gap is sort of like a continuation gap or an exhaustion gap, I mean, the price can push down. We can't see it on trading view, I mean, obviously, but yeah. What are your biases? What are your biases, boys?
Sales, but I'm taking it slowly today. I already have 4 pips lost today on London session. I just entered the trade and then I just got out in like 5 minutes. I didn't like the way candle was moving, and then once I got out, like, it just fell down. Good thing I didn't take whole 2% loss.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I just took, I don't know, 0.5% loss. I was actually trying to both buy and sell impulsively, but I don't know why I opened once the 30-minute closed. 30-minute was not looking great, but I still entered.
Oh no.
And that was the reason I just got out of it so early.
Where did you take it, Nikesh? Can you send me a chart?
Okay, just a moment. 15-minute. I'll just draw and then.
And I took a sell. I took a sell.
Yeah, same. It's, I took a buy on like open. So my stop loss was somewhere around here.
I was waiting for sales from Asian session today. It didn't work out. I took a sell. Didn't work out because there was no volume and the market just started pushing up. But the London volume pushed the prices all the way down. I missed sales below 157.20, but I was like, oh, you know what, man, if there's enough enough London volume, I can catch it. And I did catch it after the price made a 5-minute resistance, another 5-minute resistance. I mean, on the break of the low, beautiful.
It was really good. I was actually, I don't know why, I was actually looking at impulsive sales, and then once I closed my buy position at like 4 pips negative, I was about to enter sales, but it is Tuesday and I wanted to take it slow, and then like fell down. I just took it. I have sent a chart on New York. New York session.
New York.
The actual is on London. The actual chart when I took the trade. So it's on
London. Yeah, this one. I see. Because there was a support, wasn't it?
Yeah, there was a support, and then like when I went down to 5 minutes, I didn't like the last 15-minute candle because the first 5 minutes just went up, and then the remaining 5 minutes went down, and then I just got out of the trade.
Yeah, I was waiting for a buy after a retest of this 157.30. I was so tempted to take a buy here. I was like, oh man, should I press the buy now? Should I press the buy now? And I waited. Asian bias was sell. I thought, oh man, come on. And I
I
waited.
actually wanted it to break the previous 5-minute high before taking the buy, but just looking kind of okay, not great, but at least okay. So I just took the buy. Happens.
so-
Let's see.
Yeah, go on, Nikesh, go on.
No.
Ah.
It's
On
kind
on
of-
on YouTube, Michael is saying looking at 1 minute chart buy. Ooh, maybe no. I would say no.
that looks like a range.
Yep.
Still, it's
And we're waiting for price to reject the top and show us some sort of volume. Obviously, the previous 30-minute candle rejected the top with its wick, showing us some sort of sign that, you know what, price may continue down. For now, this low could be tested, and if there's enough New York volume, I mean, we can drive the prices down, especially when today is a clean day. There isn't any haphazard sort of a news event coming in. Everything looks clear. So if everything is looking clear, I mean, you know, Tuesday could be consistent, but again, at the same time, Monday and Tuesday is just like a preparation day, a preparation for the week. Obviously, yesterday, gold moved up pretty crazy. Gold was the move yesterday. We missed out. But if this move is going to happen next time, we are going to capitalize on it. On the 1 minute and a 5 minute was the scalping opportunity yesterday. We had a buying bias of 1794.85 and we missed it. But we're not going to miss out next time it happens.
Yo guys, what's up?
Up. What's up, my buddy?
How is my audio? Good.
Pretty good. Pretty good. No feedback. No feedback today.
You sure?
Yep.
How about now?
No feedback. No feedback.
Tell me when it's better.
this guy is again experimenting with us.
Say that again. Nikas? Nikas? Who? Nikas.
It was me. You are experimenting.
What experiment? No, I'm just testing before it comes up bad on YouTube.
Uh-huh.
What's up? What's up? What are you guys looking at?
Or
Nothing
sell.
much. I don't think there will be any trade today.
Yeah, that's
kind of
actually true. That's actually true.
because now GJ 15 minute is even 30 minute is kind of moving bullish, and then it's just printing side by side.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
the thing was closed.
yeah,
GJ and GU looking same.
yeah. I was actually looking at GU sales. GU sales is a bit more, but like again now it's turning bullish in 30 minutes. This means
1 hour seems okay. 15 minutes seems okay. It's gonna dig small. I'm buying GG right now.
okay.
Kevin's Mr. Kevin. Michael on YouTube says, Michael is my friend, guys. So Michael is saying, if I had put a trade on GJ on a 1 minute, I'd be in profit. Ooh, that's actually pretty good. But yeah, we don't trade off of 1 minute on GJ. That's the thing, you know. We don't take trades on 1 minute. We look at 1 minute, especially Nikesh here is the sniper time guy. He looks at different time frame, but usually we work on time frames above 15 only. So yeah, we don't take entries on 1 minute. Sometimes it looks beautiful, but 1 minute is kind of impulsive, you know. So we kind of base ourselves off the higher time frame structure and higher time frame movement. So we're still waiting. The bias hasn't changed yet. I mean, the hourly candle right now is retracing pretty heavy, but it still has 13 more minutes left for its close. For any sort of buys at this point in time, if I have to buy, I have to wait for the candles to close above 157.20. That way I'll be more confident to take a buy. Oh, Kevin, that's a feedback, man.
Guys, look, I sent you my chart on the Discord.
Kevin, that was a feedback.
What feedback?
Mr. Kevin. I think it's better now.
Oh, you mean my audio?
Yep.
Oh, okay, good. Right.
Ooh,
What about now?
He's looking for buys. Ooh, Mr. Kevin is looking for buys.
What about now? My audio is okay?
Yep. No feedback. No feedback. Oh.
Okay, so you're basing.
Mr. Kevin is looking for buys about 155.
There's no strong signal for buys.
True.
Not looking for buys. I'm already in the buys.
Ooh.
It could be buys, but
Could be. I'm in 1 pip profit right now.
Yeah, what it kind of buys.
Our motive is looking for trend lines. Yeah, looks like one of the bullish flags, bearish flag signs could be seen. We are waiting. I mean, we're waiting, obviously. So for clear sales, ooh, that's a feedback. That's a feedback.
Are you sure that's mine? Because I wasn't talking.
Oh, let's check. Let's check whose sound is it. Bum 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 bum. We check.
well, the mic was fine before you came in, so
It's Kevin's.
Really?
you tell me.
You
Yeah.
don't, you don't actually need to talk because like your mic is on Discord. It is always on. So whenever we speak, like
Yeah,
because
it
you
goes
you
back
use the
with
noise
electronic
suppressor.
sound.
Use the headphone.
I'm using my no. Should I use my headphone?
Yes.
Yes.
What
that
happens
will
is
be
like your laptop plays the sound and then it receives the sound.
captures his own
So,
sound.
yeah.
Okay, just give me a sec. I'll just put on my headphones on.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
let's.
then go ahead. GJ buys.
Could be.
Yeah.
Cannot say no, but
Yeah,
risky.
true. Yeah,
GJ buys is still. The thing is, I don't like 4 hour. GJ
yeah, true,
buys on
true.
like. If you look at 30 minute, if you look at even hourly, and then if you look at like 15 minute looks good. But like if you go to 4 hour, oh,
Uh-huh.
4 hour is indecisive. So we still,
Yeah, it's
I don't know where we
indecisive.
are
Yeah,
going.
yeah, true.
This,
Exactly.
4 hour looks good for
To
buy.
be honest, Nikesh Motsam, 4 hour looks good for the weekly candle to flip bearish. That's
yeah,
what I think. That's what I think. Or if the weekly candle is not flipping bearish today, I mean it can actually retrace even higher and push down later. But obviously there's no clear sign for buy. No clear sign.
yeah. I think for weekly candle to flip bearish, there needs to be a good volume because daily has a good support. So when the weekly flips bearish, it'll just be at that support zone. So I think we'll see some kind of bigger momentum. Let's see what news we have this week. No. Oh, there is one thing like Jackson Hole Symposium, something like that. I
Oh, yeah.
think it's one of the most important. It is like 3-day thing, and then I was just reading it this afternoon. It is blah 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 blah.
Yep. US
So it is
economy.
attended by central bank. Yeah.
US economy.
Oh, this is all. So it is attended by central bank, finance minister, academics, and financial market participants from all around the world. So I think this might be the reason there is not that much volume on GU, even on GJ. But let's see.
Oh, it's on Thursday, man. Oh no.
Yeah, it's on Thursday and it's on Friday. It's a 3-day event. No, it's on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So
Wow.
I think this is really high impact news.
And on Monday there's GBP bank holiday. Oh no.
For next Monday. But I don't know. We might flip. This is the last week for the month. Oh,
There
no,
is no
we
news
yeah,
until
we still have next
Thursday.
Yeah.
What about now, guys? How's my sound?
Yeah, it is good. It's okay.
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, cannot hear us, so better than before.
150, 50.
Don't use the noise suppression unless you have to.
Like, how will I know that?
If you have like really high, big, background noise, you have like some rice cooker going on, you have pressure cooker going on, then
Okay, I just turned off my suppressor. Right?
yeah. Yeah. Now speak.
Yeah, okay. I'm 7 pips in profit right now.
Good.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Just 40 pips and I'm out for today.
Ooh. And the hourly time frame is holding that support. Interesting enough. Interesting enough.
Flip bullish. Just 1 hour. It will be perfect. M30. Oh, in 6 minutes.
Kevin, what is your daily target for today, GJ?
Daily target. I don't have daily target. I just have a TP of 44 pips away.
44 pips. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm missing around 11 pips. 11.4, like to be precise. The thing is, like, I took a loss on user already today, so I'm like, nah, I don't want to trade today because it seems so. It's either going up or down. It's like stuck in between that part. Right? That's why.
I also took like 3-4 pips loss on GJ.
Guys, look at this. Gold. Gold is ranging side by side.
Gold. Anybody else, like, besides Onos who trades gold? What?
I actually want. Nah, I actually. Whenever I look at gold, like I can't predict what's going on. It's just too random, so I just leave it.
What's up?
I have
No,
seen gold
never.
chart for a while.
Don't have any analysis on gold. I don't say
Honest,
gold.
Honest, give us a signal to buy or sell, okay?
Yes, sir. Looking to sell below 1865.
1865. 1865. Ah, okay. Okay.
Oh man, gold is actually funny because the left hand side traffic above 1807.90 is like pretty messed up. Pretty messed up.
1807.90. What's that? Ah,
Pretty messed up.
also play the song. Simon Says. I heard that song today. It's so nice. Simon Says. SIMON says.
Where Spotify?
Yeah, whatever. Simon Says.
Easy.
Yeah, still. Oh, 4 minutes before New York.
New York.
Mm-hmm.
Ba-bi-ba-ba-bi-di-ba-bi-di.
Why does nobody know the lyrics? Okay? Only New York part. Everybody knows. But
I have
expecting
never
you to
heard.
sing. No, I was expecting you to sing the lyrics, but you did not sing at all.
I don't even remember the lyrics. So what is the Jackson
Remember,
Hole
though.
Symposium? First hosted in 1879, is the longest standing central bank conference. Ooh, okay, this is gonna move the economy.
Yeah.
Draws 140 central bankers, Nobel Prize winners, and top academics from more than Where is the Jackson Symposium? I have long use this to signal important shifts in the monetary policy. Okay, interesting.
It is.
Monster, do you like the music? Oh, 12 a.m. USD news. Noise. Oh, no news. Today no
That's
news.
all
You
low
can say no
impact news today.
Yeah, you can say no news at all till Thursday, 10:30
Yeah.
p.m. Okay, that means I can let this trade run for, I don't know, 2-3 days, maybe, till Thursday. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum.
Gold is looking good. If the gold is gonna push like yesterday above 1806.85, I'm gonna take a trade today. 1806.85.
Oh, I should do this.
1806.85.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 5s are 45. Gosh.
1806.
Bum, bum, bum. Monster, do you like the music? I really like the music. I don't like the rap, but I like the music. Dun, dun, dun,
It's
dun.
fine.
No, it actually hypes you up. I don't know why, but I felt so hyped up when I listened to that music. I'm gonna let your YouTube guys know this song.
What song is it?
Simon Says. SIMON says.
Well, Simon Says is a game. Simon
I don't know.
Says. By whom?
It's a name of the burger in Grildy. Simon Says.
Oh yeah, grill. Oh yes, I remember. I remember that burger.
I don't remember.
Simon Says.
You don't remember?
Go on YouTube directly. Simon Says.
I can't put on other people's photo.
But you can't even put photo. Okay, I didn't know that. Nice.
Oh, okay.
Simon. Yes. Oh, it's a kids music. It says music game for kids.
Nah. Nah, not that one. Simon says. I
By
don't know the old. By whom? What's up? I don't even know the singer name. What happened is like I
Singer
watched a movie
name.
called Boiler Room, right? And then in the end, it was playing a good music, and I was like, "Hey Google, what's the song name?" And then it was like Simon Says, and I looked it up, and then it said
Heroic
it was quite nice.
match.
guys, this is not
Heroic
PG-13 song.
match.
It's not a PG-13 song.
It's song from 1999.
It's a
It's
PG.
nice though.
It's a PG. I don't know. 18 plus song.
Obviously, all the people who trade are 18 plus. I mean, unless if you're under 18, then I'll say hats off to you. You are having an early start in life. 9 pips. Yes.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Ahaha.
Ooh, pound AUD was a sell today. Didn't even look at it. Pound AUD was a beautiful sell. Didn't get a chance to have a look. The 4 hour fueled all that wick, man. Missed out on the sells. Anyways. So I'm thinking about sells in pound AUD. If this price, if these candles are going to reject the previously broken 30-minute support, there's a clear range on the downside all the way down till 1.89145. So if prices are going to reject 1.8955, let's see.
Okay, almost 11 pips. Allah, break even. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. $11.4. Eight. 11.4. Oi, oi.
Ooh, Kevin's trade's working. Mr. Kevin's trade is working.
I'm still waiting for a break even. I was on 11 pips, but I stopped because my stop was at 11.4. So it has to go above 11.4 to make it break even.
I think it's a good idea to secure, Kevin. Just secure something because this is the first few minutes of the hour and first few minutes of the market open.
No, it's alright. It's just 1.5 risk. Not big.
He just made 400 pips yesterday.
Beautiful.
Yeah, he
Kevin?
doesn't care about
Yeah, he
securing.
doesn't.
Yeah, but you know, it's never enough.
Monday.
It was Monday, Monday fun day. That's why.
Yeah, let's see. I just want to be break even on this August, and then let's see next month what happens. I took some pretty stupid trades this month.
Same. Yesterday I took buys on the wrong pair, so I'm like kind of pissed. I thought I was supposed to go on GU, but I went on EU.
How did you miss like GU for EU?
No, I don't
GU
know.
for GJ is like kind of okay because both of
Nikesh
us
is too much spells. he's doing too much spells.
Yeah,
Closing eyes and spells.
yeah.
So
He was
I don't-
already starting today.
no, I didn't.
5
I had
minutes
how many
before,
trades?
yeah. Yeah. Already starting. Where's our music?
That's just my way of trading, guys. Come on.
Bam, 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 bam.
That's fine. How is August honors for you?
August is pretty good. August is pretty good. I mean,
Mm.
so this week I did 9%. So yesterday and today, total 9%, so which is pretty good. I'm actually pretty set for the
that's
week,
nice.
but still looking to scale. Still looking to scale. So my Dominion account is like is in 3% this week, and the other account in Blackpool is 9%, which is good. Pretty good.
Is that Australian account, the other one?
Yes, Blackpool is a New Zealand brokerage, and because Dominion doesn't have a 1:500 for gold, and I need 1:500 for gold, and that's why I have two accounts for gold and other pairs Blackpool. But I've moved my money one more time. You know, it just doesn't make sense, to be honest. I mean, I don't want to complain about the spreads on Dominion in Blackpool, but it's a little bit funny, to be honest.
Which one has less?
Oh, I would say.
Oh, is it just my or is it Anu sound so kurkur like that?
Is it better now?
Oh,
I
better
can
now.
hear clearly.
No, it just comes off like in the end. It's like kurk, kurk. Or it's just me.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure.
So for me, I mean, both of the brokerages have the same execution speed, same everything, but in the Asian session and London session, Blackpool market has less spread.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of interesting. Now the
What
Dominion
is your
markets,
spread right now? Your spread.
in Dominion markets, it's Dominion markets paused. So it's 2 pips. 2 pips.
That's a lot.
And then
2 pips.
yeah, 2 pips. Is it a Razor account like Pepperstone?
Yep,
Or
it's
you
ECN
pick
account. Yes.
Okay. That's a lot for commission.
I
2
know.
pips.
I know. So what am I paying the commission for, right? It's like, come
Yeah.
on.
You're paying for the magic keys.
True, that's right.
Okay, Dominion have that. And then how much is it on Blackpool? Because I think I need a bit more leverage. I cannot take 2% trade, you know, on some of the players, like some of the time when the stop loss is too low.
On Blackpool market right now, it's 2 pips as well. Right now.
That's too
2
much.
pips.
2 pips.
Yeah, my
Maybe
Pepperstone, to be honest, Pepperstone used to be so good. You know, obviously they changed the leverage, so I had to get out of it. I had to get out.
I trade GJ and GU, and then on GU it's like 3 points now, not even pips. It just drops down to 0, and then GJ is maximum 1. Now it's 1.2, 1.3, something like that. So even on GJ, like sometimes it drops down to just 6 points. So this spread is really good, but
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
yeah, I need more leverage.
Mr. Dotfic is asking what's his idea behind GBPJPY.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, show them.
I didn't see that.
Show them my analysis here.
So this is Mr. Kevin's. Dun 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 dun.
It's a 1 hour fib. I forgot to put the fib in there, but anyways, it's a 1 hour fib. You know what? Figure it out yourself.
Yep, this is Kevin's idea. This is Kevin's idea. Kevin, stop the witchery, man.
You know what? Yesterday I didn't understand you guys. You were like, what? I was not understanding it yesterday. But when I looked back at the live stream yesterday, but I was like, oh, okay, you're talking about weights. No, yesterday it really did not make sense. I was like, you guys were just talking about something else, right? And but when I looked at the video and I was like, oh, you guys were teasing me in reality. I was like, okay.
ZJ, just
Oh, the heck! 1 hour seems so off. Shit. I'm going berries. Blues.
Kevin's activating his spell one more time.
I wish.
I think GJ might just range.
Yeah, I feel that too now. It's 155 and I don't know why, but it's getting stuck at that rate. Good.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Yeah. Come on, why you fall down, Kelly? Does this mean I should not take trade today? Why? You Aussie USD. Oh. Would you? What's wrong with ya?
Kevin spell is not.
Not working.
Your spell is doomed.
Should I caught? Should I not caught? Should I stop or something? Well, this one's there, stop or something. Or maybe it's not. You never know.
Look at
Alrighty.
Who taught you to do this?
Alrighty.
Even look at 15 minutes. Like it broke the previous candle high and then it started falling down.
Yeah, in your way of trading, yes, but so looking at that thing, I have my stop loss over there. So I'll just let it hit my stop loss or TP.
Oh my
But it's not
god.
stop. It might stop loss, I think. Almost close enough.
God
Close enough
damn.
though. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. I was negative 9 pip and then now it's negative 5 pip. Bruh. What the heck?
You should have secured. You should have secured, Kevin.
Nah. That's 1.5.
That's fine, but like still, you know, if the current 4-hour candle closes bearish, then I think we are heading down.
Gold is pushing up. Ooh. Beautiful.
Nice.
Gold push up means easier push up too. Okay.
Let's see. Waiting for gold buys above 1806.85. Let's see. 1806.85. Ooh. Let's see. Need to see a 5-minute candle close above. 5-minute candle close above. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see.
See, I'm at negative 4 pips now, bro. Shooting a candle closing in 6 seconds. Oh, oh, oh. What the heck?
$18.0685. Oh man, I didn't even get a chance to place the buy stop. It's pumping, it's pumping, it's pumping. Gold is pumping up. Beautiful. Man. Was waiting for 1 minute close above, and 1 minute candle has closed above. Let's see. 1 minute candle has closed above, and there we go. Bang, bang, bang. And a buy taken. Let's see. 10 pips stop loss.
My AU debate.
10 pips stop loss. 10
Nice.
pips stop loss.
You know what? I'm gonna close my AU. AU is also going nice.
AU buys.
Oh yeah, I was at buys at 0.7228. Ah, काट दे मैले. See, I just sent you in Discord NYSE knowledge. Hello, I'm just cutting it off right now. I want to play the long game today. Oh yeah, DJ, come on, fly.
I'm actually looking for sales, but depends on the
Which one?
hourly close. GZ.
Oh,
40 minute is going down, and then even if you see, but it's just first 15 minutes of the hourly candle, so still can't see anything. I'm just
yeah,
looking
aku tanya
for
lah.
once the 4 hour closes Paris, then we should be heading down. Well, let's see.
All right, so I am still in buys in gold. Expecting some volume, so prices are above 1806.85. So let's see what's going to happen. Ooh, what's that?
At the moment, it's been drenched rain all night. Bit gloomy, been locked away, and we start to play this.
Still in buys. Let's see. New York volume. We are 19 minutes in the market. Was waiting for 1806.85. At this point in time, it's just about risk management and execution. So I've executed a buy, expecting the candles to push up with volume. Let's see if it's going to break the low. This is going to be the idea where I'm going to close at this 50%. At this point in time, I'm thinking about closing 50% right here, dun, 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 and close 50% right here. bang. And actually, my position just got closed. Closed 50%, around 7 pips, and the position just got stopped out. Ooh. Gold is pretty hasty right now. Wow. Look at the liquidity wick. Look at the liquidity wick. Oh. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. So gold is trying to do that retest at this point in time. Trying to do that retest. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Man, oh man. Gold position got stopped out. Closed half at 7 pips and just wow. That's just a wow. Honestly, a wow. Ooh. So the gold didn't work out at all. Gold position today didn't work out. And it's pushing down at this point of time. Rejected 1806.85 sort of area and coming back in the range. Wow. That was a quick retracement. That's why you need a stop loss in your trade. Otherwise, man, look at this. Look at the volatility, right? So, I mean, I was expecting the candles to push up just the way it was pushing yesterday. 1 minute candle closed above my required area, 1806.85. Looks like it was a late trade, to be honest. Maybe anything above 1805.70 was a beautiful area. Anything above 1805.70, but it is what it is. I'm still in profits for the day. Still in profits from the London session. So no longer in 9% profit. No longer. I think Mr. Kevin's gotta mute himself. Mr. Kevin, you gotta mute yourself, buddy. Oh my god. Alright, so Kevin,
even if it's stalking someone.
Kevin, I've muted you on my on my screen, so if you want to say something, just mention me. Just mention. Alright, so gold is rangy, pretty rangy at this point in time. Wow, and pound yen is rangy. Looks like everything is ranging. So is Jackson Hole Symposium going to be the ultimate range breaker? Looks like it. Let's look at pound AUD. Pound AUD still hanging around there. Ooh, pound AUD, we have a 15-minute resistance here, which is pretty good. 5-minute ranging side by side, but 15-minute makes sense. I'm gonna stay out of gold for now and just going to focus on my slow-moving pairs. Gold was like a fire drop. Boom. Man, oh man. Like a fire drop. Yep.
Yeah, guys, I'm back. Hello, hello. Kita kहाँ आ रहा है? Hello.
सबले तँलाई म्युट हानेको छ You were watching some Instagram and everyone could hear
Yeah, I
you.
was on bed. Okay,
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Look at this gold 30 minute. Wow.
This is why I don't like gold.
That was a quick fire.
I was like, should I buy? Yeah, why is it not flying? Come on.
Oh, you are still holding on to the trade that you took?
I told you. I just stop loss with my TP.
Okay. Yeah, 15 minutes looks like it's ranging. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, I already closed my AU. Good enough. Well, it's 2-2. I'm supposed to go to 4, but you know, nah. It's still thinking. Should I let it down or should I cut it at half? Leave it trailing. Yes, Mr. Motsub. Yes, Motsub. Why is Motsub not talking nowadays? And where is Mr. Mike Mazak?
Sorry?
Mr. Mike Mazak.
Oh yeah, he didn't even come yesterday. I think he was sending messages in London session. Oh yeah.
Yup. He did. He's like, Kevin, why did you buy over there? I was like, Fibs, bro, Fibs. Fibs don't lie.
Fibs don't lie.
Failing. You missed the whole trade. Where's Mr. Anos? Why is he so silent today?
I've muted yourself. I'll mute you, bro. So I can only hear the good things.
What the heck? Did you see NES 100 yesterday? Bruh. I was about to enter for sales, right? I was looking for sales, any sales confirmation, but I did not get any. Just in like what, 1 second? Just like flew how many? Maybe around I was about to enter, and in just 1 second it moved 65 pip. Just one candle, okay? 1 minute candle. And I was like, you know what? I was like, nah, I'm not gonna trade this. Too volatile. Quite the ads, is come on. Fly.
Oh my god, Kevin's spell one more time. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, stay away from Kevin's
Singing
spell.
skills out there. That's the singing skills.
Oh,
Spell.
singing skill. Wow. Motsub is awfully quiet. Hello, Motsub.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
My mic was unplugged.
Oh no.
Motsov is looking for buy descending channel. GG.
Oh, guys,
Nice.
new movie is coming up, Spider-Man. Do you look at the trailer?
Nah.
Come on, who was
It
the
looks
Spider-Man?
No, it looks nice.
Says the man who just goes to hall when it release.
Get it?
Motsov.
Says the man who what?
Who just watches the movie when it releases first day.
Uh-huh.
Motsov. Man, GZ is not moving. Shit.
I told you guys there won't be any trade today.
Yeah.
I already lost 10 bips today.
Which pair?
ZZ sales.
When
Oh,
did
no.
he
Let me
sell?
show you the chart.
When did he sell? London Open?
London, yeah.
London Open was sell. How did he?
Hold on, I'm sending you the chart.
Alright, guys, I'll be back in a second.
Oh, okay. It hit your stop loss and then it started falling down.
Yeah, it hit my stop loss and started falling down again.
What's our next music, please?
You can either skip
Don't
yourself.
chat. Oh no, I prefer you be the DJ.
Come on. Come on, Mort.
Oh, come on, bro.
I'm not even
I
listening
believe
to
in
the
you.
music.
I believe in you, bro. Come on, you can do this.
Nah, mate.
Yes, you can. I believe you. Really.
All right. Mr. Pound Yen is heading down nice and slow.
Wait, what? What? No.
Mr. Pound
No,
Yen is
no,
heading
no, no,
down.
no.
Oh
Yep.
no. Oh no, no.
Gold
no,
is
no.
moving back.
I'm just waiting for 60 minutes to close the hourly candle. And the 4-hourly candle.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.
Wow, gold moved up, moved down, grabbed all the liquidity. Now it's pushing up one more time. Wow.
Baby. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I think it's going to break that 1806.85 one more time. Crazy. Crazy movement in gold.
You. Not good. There's nothing much there today.
Yeah, I
Let's
told
see
you.
myself take another trade.
I told you the same thing.
Visa looks okay. Only Visa looks okay.
Nah,
That's not what I want.
everything looks stressed today.
What do you mean? Look everything stress there. Look yourself in the
Yeah.
mirror. Do you call that stress? Oh!
Hmm?
Look yourself in the mirror. Do you call that stress? Oh!
Uh,
What's your answer? Please talk. Talk, Senpai.
All right, this is Mon's chart. He's looking for pound yen sell. Beautiful. Pound yen is moving down nice and slow.
no, that was a trade on London session.
Oh,
That I already took a loss on.
oh, but this worked. But
It
this
hit
trade
my
worked.
stop loss and fell down again.
I took the same trade, Moto. I took the same
Yeah.
trade, and it worked.
Yeah, but it stopped me out. Yeah, it stopped me out and then fell down again.
Aha. Yeah, looks like everything is ranging, guys. Everything is ranging.
No. This will hit my TP. Or stop us.
See me.
Yeah, pound yen is moving down, moving down, moving down.
Yup. It's gonna hit my stop loss. Whoa. So close to my stop loss. Almost 2.2 pips away. Wood.
Yep, pound yen is moving down, Kev.
Yeah, I can see. Got it right. Where? Where? They got ahead. They don't know.
Oh, honest, like if you have like more than $165 in commission on Dominion market, do you get the magic keys?
Yep, apparently if you have the enough funds, you can claim magic keys, and I've claimed it. So it says it has shipped. So just waiting.
Oh, okay, so how much fund do you need to have?
I think the same as the equivalent of its to 100 something. I think 100 something
so-
or 200 something
On commission or what?
on commission. Yes.
Ah.
So
okay.
only on the ECN account. It's only available on the commission account.
Razor account.
Yes,
Yeah.
the Razor one, ECN.
My commission is not that much.
Pound yen is pushing down. So here's the thing, right? So for example, if this 4-hour candle, if this 4-hour candle manages to close below 153.70, NYSE could actually drive the prices even lower. So kind of waiting here, kind of waiting patiently. And the structure, the most recent structure also makes sense to push down. So just waiting. Just waiting.
Looking for sales from where?
Yeah. 1 hour looks good for sales. 4 hour looks good for sales. Waiting for the close. No.
And gold stopped me out, stopped all of the people out, and and it's moving up right now. It
Did not
broke,
cross gold.
yeah, it broke a lot of people's heart, and it's moving up right now.
You need really good stop loss.
Ah. Whatever good is
gold
the
is
first, do you
moving up.
think? Gold?
Ooh, oh my
You
god.
need double.
Yeah.
Oh my god, gold is moving up. Look at this. This was the exact trade I was waiting for.
You should have given it a second chance.
No. It happened 14 minutes after the market opened. 14 minutes.
Hi, Dide. What the heck? What's it for Dide? I'm actually looking for buys.
GJ boys?
If it goes only like below 150 to 50, then I'll be looking for sales. For the time being,
think
I'm
the
still
way-
looking for buys.
The way it's closing, we still be good for sales now.
Yeah. No.
Honest, what time does NYSE open? Is it 11:30?
Yes, 11:30. Yep, and pound yen is pushing down. Beautiful. Ooh,
Yeah.
man, oh man. We are breaking levels. So it looks like a sell stop's gonna work here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close. Wait for this 15-minute candle to close. Gonna wait for 1 more minute, and then we'll decide if I'm gonna take a market order or a sell below 152.65. Sell stop or a sell order. But it's in that clear range, so it's looking beautiful. It's actually looking really beautiful. Higher chances of pushing down. Higher chances of pushing down. So waiting for sells. 4-hour candles looking beautiful. And the weekly candle, daily candles looking beautiful. Weekly candles looking beautiful. We will see.
15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah. Should I be looking for buy? Nah, I want to. Just because it's in the key area. Looking at the candles, maybe not anytime soon. Maybe after 12, maybe. That way it would be okay.
All right. And the 15-minute candle closed right at that 150.65 mark. And the candles are looking good to push down at this point of time. Out. Ooh, and we are pushing down. Man, August is pretty hard. No confirmation, no retracement. It's just missing trade a lot. But yeah, it's gonna push down. Higher chances of pushing down than anything else. Beautiful.
को तो खैर कर रही
कौन सा
म त हैन है
Yeah.
back.
Ooh, gold. Pound yen is pushing down. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beauty.
ल 5 minutes officially lower eye broken. अब बचाई सुरज ब्रो
हजुर
देखो
म बोलेको सुन्ने
सुनिरहेको
DJ
छ
I can hear you. Lower eye broken.
lower high gone
But now I need to make a lower low and then come back and then make a lower high and then I'll be looking for sale, but that is too long. So you know what, guys, I'm out for today.
Beautiful. So so the gold loss I took, I just recovered. I just took a quick sell on 1 minute. A 1 minute sell.
Back.
So the gold
all.
so the gold loss I took, man, god damn. So the gold loss I took recovered. I was like, oh man, okay, I gotta get out now. And I just got out of it. Ooh, it's pushing down.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a
Loading
nice push.
something.
Maybe the pullback is gonna come early.
Wow. Yep.
I'm thinking, should I wait?
So this was the bias I was waiting from Asian session. Asian session. Crazy. Alright, so the guys in the Discord, I'm going to show you guys something. Watch this.
Something. Yeah.
Let me see if I
Yeah.
can show you guys. Let me see if I can show you guys
What?
what I was talking about. What I was talking about. Dun, 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 dun,
What
dun,
channel,
dun.
man? Where? Too many stuff in the Discord.
Let me show you guys.
Oh yeah.
Let me show you guys. Can you guys see?
Oh, live. Oh, okay, give me a sec.
Can you guys see?
Mm, Yep.
Yeah, watch this. If you guys are here, watch this. Watch this hourly gap on the left hand side, right? This gap was giving me an early signal today. It's like, you know what? The candles are exhausting and I was waiting for sales. I was waiting for this window, this gap to be filled. and that's why my bias was stronger, right? So that helped me take sells. I mean, I took a sell around Asian session, didn't work, and I took a sell London session, worked. I took a sell right here, worked. So beautiful. So this was like a 1 minute scalp I took, right? But the bias was never changed. The bias was like sell. So maybe this is going to help you guys too. So the hourly gap, obviously on TradingView it's not there, but this gap gave me an early signal, maybe today or tomorrow the weekly candles going to exhaust and there's a chance it's going to start pushing down. It made sense. This gap right here made sense. And it's dropping down. It's going to drop down.
No, my sell bias will take time and I don't want to be involved. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.
See
Not
you.
much today. Right, good night.
Wow. That was like a quick scalp. 1 minute scalp.
Okay, bye. Love, good night guys.
Thank you, Kevin. Hello, Kevin.
Ooh, Mr. Kevin has left the building. Looks like Kevin has blown his 40%. 28% today. That's what I think.
Full margin.
Possibly.
Possibly. So when I was talking to Kevin this morning, he was a happy guy. He was a happy 28%. Looks like he blowed everything away. Oh no.
Well, easy as it comes, easy goes.
True.
I actually like the retracement on GJ now. If it retraces, you know,
Oh, look
the
at
remaining 6
Look at
minutes.
GA, guys. Look at GA. Obviously missed the GA sell, but GA was looking so beautiful. Took the GJ sell, but GA was also in a selling situation. GA, wow. Yeah, so here's the thing, right? If this 30-minute hourly candle closes bearish below 150.265, obviously the NYSE market's not going to be happy with the price. So if the NYSE market's going to make the GJ retrace, that's going to be the trade. That's going to be the trade for sell. So that is going to be nice. Beautiful. Our Mike Mazak bro, Suraj bro, is also doing some spells, I think. Yep, Nikesh, retracement is looking beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is looking beautiful. 30 minutes before the NYSE. 30 minutes before the NYSE retracement, looking very beautiful. Really beautiful. And the hourly candle is closing bearish with a wick on the downside. Higher chances of pushing down. Higher chances of pushing down. Yep, and the hourly candle is retracing up before pushing down. It's actually looking nice. Looks like 149.970 could be a final target today. 149.970 could be its final target. So the range is in about 20 pips, which is good. Just have to see candles rejecting 150 to 65 or a proper resistance. On a 5-minute, the resistance is there. And still waiting. Ooh, and the 5-minute candle has rejected. Beautiful. And the candle is pushing down in the first few minutes. There's a 5-minute resistance. Wow. 15-minute candle has reversed bearish. Ooh, wow. Oosha. Look at this. Look at the 15-minute. Yep, looks like 150.090 is going to be hit. 150.090 is going to be hit. Wow, beautiful. And we are pushing down. The bias of the day was never changed. The bias never changed. Wow. 149.970 is the target. Yep, and we are pushing down. Whoever took a trade, whoever took a sell looking at the 5-minute resistance, I mean, with all these volume, it only made sense. And beautiful. Whoever took that sell, looks like you could experience that wave of push down. Looks like NYSE is actually going to drive the prices even lower. And gold's pumping up. Yep. Beautiful bias. And 149.970 is the target. 149.970. Oh, James is saying hi. Hope you're going well. Oh, I'm going well. How are you, James? I hope you're doing well too. Just managed to catch a small piece of it on a 1 minute, and I didn't even take a trade, but obviously this was the trade, man. This was the trade of the day. Pound yen sell was the trade of the day. So simple, so nice and simple. We were waiting for price to break below 150.265, and that's what the price did. It actually closed below, break below, and this was one of the trades. 5-minute candle making resistance before pushing down, made a top wick, and that was a trade, man. Whoever took a trade after 5-minute candle made that resistance, that's a valid trade. If you executed, if you took that trade and capitalized off of it, beautiful. So these are the experience you need in the market, right? All right, James says, I'm going good. I'm good, thanks. I'm doing economics next year at the school, so this is interesting. Yes, this is very interesting, James. Very, very interesting. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually really interesting. All right, so the guys in the YouTube, if you did miss this trade out, if you didn't execute on this trade, if you missed the idea, go back into the stream and see how you could have actually executed on it. So the sell, a clear sell below 152.65 was discussed before the stream, and it happened. You know, sometimes the market moves with such a volatility, with such a volume. I mean, it just fulfills all these movement, all these orders. Pretty good. All right, so my boys are saying good night. Good night. Good night, guys. Good night, bro. Good night. Take care, and we will come back the next day. We will see you guys next time, right? Until then, take care. Beautiful. All right, guys, it looks like I'm gonna call it a day here too. So the bias was given out today. It was a beautiful day. A lot of traders out there, they must have capitalized on these ideas. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I hope you guys have a beautiful day today, and we'll come back the next day and again attack the market the same way. But this was really beautiful. We were waiting for this, and this actually happened, right? Clear sales below 150 to 65. Just managed to secure some bits out of it. Obviously wanted to scale a little bit big, but obviously it is what it is. Sometimes the ideas make sense, you capitalize off of the idea, but it's not going to be that big day every single day, right? Sometimes you just got to be okay with whatever you get out of the market. And again, this was a beautiful day. So thank you guys for coming in, and please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and share this to your friends. And we want to grow this community out here in this YouTube. So have a beautiful time. Have a beautiful, beautiful time. Until next time.